to check out of my Airbnb and go explore a little bit in LA before I head back to Atlanta today. It is, I don't know what time it is, I have to check. I think it's like 9 something, 9:17 maybe in the morning here in LA. My flight leaves at 5 p.m. so I want to go do some sightseeing, some exploring. Yesterday I was at the Summit 21 conference, and if you follow me on Instagram at Keto Explorer, you would have seen those videos, which obviously are probably not now down because, stories only stay up for 24 hours. But it was a great conference for entrepreneurs. Have a lot of tidbits to take away and work on. But I want to show you my Airbnb. Obviously it looks like I've been here because the bed is not as nice as it was, but it's a very nice Airbnb, minus the few little centipedes I've seen in the room, but hey, you can kill those, right? A very nice neighborhood, very spacious area. I definitely recommend it if you're here for a short time here because there isn't a kitchen. They do have a fridge and microwave, so let's take a look. This is the entry to outside. It has a keypad lock, so the number changes whenever a new guest comes. But I also brought my door jammer, which I will leave a link for that. Here's the microwave, fridge. This is like a little kitchenette area, like in a hotel room. They believe in the environment because they have, I get these trash bags because they are easy to, what's the word? Compost. Living area. Nice TV. Well, here is the restroom. They use a septic tank, so be cautious of what you put in the toilet. Basically, just only put toilet paper. We'll walk over. Sleep area. Here is the air conditioner, which definitely cools down the room. And old school stereo. How cool is that? And they even have some cassette tapes. That is so cool. I'm not the only one with cassette tapes though. And this is a Nest thermostat to only manage the heat. They have some plugins if you're not from the US, so that's cool. That's looks like an Amazon Echo there, which should unplug that. But they have some games, some books, and a guest book that I will now sign. A few things I want to talk about, but here is the guest book. I love this guest book. I signed what I said. They also, I came here for a conference and I already knew what I wanted to do, but it has they have a guide here of things and, to manage like the TV, the Echo, the kitchen area, trash and recycling. You can empty trash anywhere. At any time. There's trash cans outside. They're through my private entrance. There's a closet, bathroom. It just gives all these different instructions for the room. We even talk about their boom box. I guess there's a fire pit out back. Barbecue, upper deck, rain. So it's talking about that, checking out. It tells you what you need to do. No need to strip the bed. This is important because I'm getting ready to check out. And then they're right near the Dodgers Stadium, so it has a schedule of this current year, a map, and then things to do in LA. So this is a really nice guidebook. What I'd like to say is that I came in on Friday night. The Dodgers had a playoff game, and it was absolutely horrific. Even though I got here an hour and a half after the game, it was just horrific getting in here because streets were closed off, there was traffic, whatever. I could never live near a stadium. But be cautious if you're coming here during baseball season and you want to stay in this Airbnb. Hopefully you avoid a game, but that could be a problem going in and out. But the host did warn me at the game and made it, very easy instructions on how to get in, how to talk to the police officer, etc. So be mindful of that. And I think that's all I want to say about the Airbnb. I think. All right, y'all. Have a good one. Thank you so much for watching my video as I toured and showed you my LA Airbnb. But please be sure to like, comment, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can stay tuned to next week's video. Have a good day or night wherever in the world you are.